funded and focused feature. Of the billions in government contracts available, the 2019 law means that 20% of these contracts are set aside as procurement opportunities for small businesses. This can represent a significant fund for your business. Understanding eligibility criteria and applicable contract types allows businesses to target opportunities designed specifically for them. Taking the time to understand how the framework supports small business participation means you are not left out. As an example, our client, Trevon, who operates a solar equipment installation business, took the time to understand the set-aside, which changed everything in his business. He employed professional insight, which revealed opportunities designed specifically for businesses like his.